Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn the most common questions. There will be some tricks, but you already know how to handle them. So let's begin. Что? What? Как? How? Сколько? How many or how much? Кто? Who? Когда? When? Какой is for male, какая is for female, and какое is for neutral nouns. Which or what sort of. Чей is for male, чья is for female, чье is for neutral, чьи is for plural. Whose. Где, where, is used when you're searching for something. For example, где банк? Where is the bank? Куда? Where to? Indicates motion towards something. For example, куда ты идешь? Where are you going? Откуда? Where from? Indicates motion away from something. For example, откуда ты? Where are you from? Зачем? Why? Or what for? Почему? Why? Or what is the reason? Let's take a look at few examples. Зачем ты изучаешь русский язык? Мне всегда нравился этот язык. Why or what for do you study Russian? I always liked this language. Почему ты не купил хлеб? В магазине не было хлеба. Why didn't you buy bread? There was no bread in the shop. As you noticed, in Russian, there is no equivalent to words do, are, is, etc. Let's take a closer look. As an example, we will go back to the question «Зачем ты изучаешь русский язык?» Мне всегда нравился этот язык. Why or what for do you study Russian? I always liked this language. You see, there is no do, only why and you. Great! Now you know the most important questions and you also know the difference between зачем and почему, which is very useful. See you in the next lecture. Пока-пока!